We all go through life. We are scared a lot. Fear is a problem for people. It is not loud. It can really hurt us. Fear stops us from doing what we want to do. Fear takes away our hope. Fear can even make us sick. It can stop us from doing things that we know we can do. So I ask you, what is the good thing about letting fear be in charge of us? What is the good thing about giving up on ourselves? What is the good thing about not living our lives? Fear is an issue for us, and it can hold us back from doing what we want to do. We should think about what happens when we let fear control us, when we give up on ourselves, and when we do not live our lives to the fullest. Think about this for a moment. How much of your time have you wasted because you were afraid to do something? A lot of people want to be perfect all the time. We want everyone to think we are great. The thing is, perfection is not something you can really achieve. You are going to make mistakes, know what? Sometimes these mistakes will hurt people's feelings. Some people may even stop liking you because of something you did. But here's what you need to know. You will get better when you take action, not when you try to be perfect. Growth happens when you do things, not when you try to be perfect all the time. Fear is a liar. It gives us evidence that seems real. This is why Churchill said that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Fear makes us think much. Fear makes us doubt ourselves. Fear makes us say and do things that are not good for us. Fear is something that will make us do things that we will later regret. The thing about fear is that it is not always telling us the truth, and that is why we should not listen to fear. We should not let fear control what we say and what we do. Fear is just fear. It is up to us to decide whether or not we want to listen to it. Churchill was right when he said that we should not be afraid of fear, because fear is an emotion. The problem with fear is that it can be very powerful, and it can make us do things that we do not want to do. We need to remember that fear is an emotion, and it is not always right. Fear will try to make us believe that something is true. It is not always true. That is why we need to be careful and not let fear control our lives. We should try to be brave and face our fears, because that is the way we can overcome them. Fear is a liar. We should not believe everything it tells us. Faith is the answer. When you have faith, you do not need to think about what you have. You do not need to look at how many people are with you or what is standing in your way. You just believe in faith. You do something about it because of your faith. You keep going with faith. Make a decision today. I am not going to be afraid. I am going to have faith. Stop listening to all the things people say. Do not pay attention to people who always complain. Be around things that help you learn and feel strong. Read books, go to seminars, listen to podcasts. Do whatever you need to do to change the way you think. Faith is what happens when you hear things over and over again. Faith is what happens when you hear positive and empowering things over and over again. I am going to have faith. People usually do not do anything. Fear and excuses are what control the lives of people. They say things like, I'm too busy, or I don't have time, or I'm too tired. The truth is that if you want to make your life bigger, if you want to unlock your potential, you must do something about it. You have to take action with your life, with your potential, and make things happen for yourself. Step into the arena. You have to fight for your dreams. This can be about your career. It can be about your health, or even your relationships, or the things you want to achieve for yourself. There are going to be things that get in your way. You are going to have to deal with sometimes. You will get knocked down at some point. The only way you will really lose is if you don't even try to fight for the things that matter to you, like your dreams. People who are scared a lot die a bit every time they are afraid. The brave people, they are only afraid one time, and then they do what they have to do anyway. The people, they don't let fear stop them. They just keep going. The brave people, like I said, they are only afraid one time. That's it. Life is really unpredictable. Sometimes things happen. That is temporary. What happens to you does not define who you are as a person. Every challenge that life brings, whether it's a business that fails, a relationship that breaks, or a personal problem that you have to deal with, can help you to grow as a person. When you get through a time, you will be stronger and more capable. You will be a better version of yourself, a stronger version of you, on the other side of that struggle. Your mistakes do not disqualify you. They are actually what make you a good candidate. The things that you did wrong in the past are like lessons that help you build a base for the things you will do in the future. You will be successful because of these lessons. You are stronger than you think you are. Your life is not defined by what's happening to you right now. The things that are happening to you do not determine what you can do. You can do things than you think you can. Your mistakes and past failures are what qualify you to be successful. You can achieve things that you never thought possible. Here's the secret. You are often one decision away from changing your life. You can have one meeting that makes a big difference. You can make one phone call that helps you. You can do one rep in the gym, and that can make you stronger. You can keep going for one day, and that can make all the difference. When you stack these decisions like one decision on top of another, your life will start to change in a way. Your life will change. That is a really good thing. Don't wait longer. You need to take control of your life. Your life is yours. You should be in charge of it. It is up to you to make the life you want. So make a decision today. I am the one who will make my life happen. I am the one who will live my dream. I will keep going, know what. I am committed to my life and my dream. When you do things that are not easy for you, it's a good thing. You should try things and see what happens. Every time you try something, you learn and get better. This means you can do things and you will be more interested in life. You will want to do things because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. Life is not always certain, so you should make the most of it. Live life to the fullest. You should step out of your comfort zone. Expand your horizons, because this is how you grow and become more involved in life. Don't complain all the time. Stop waiting for things to happen. Fear and doubt should not be in control of your life. You should focus on the things that you are able to do, not the things that you are not able to do. Your strengths are what you should be looking at, not the things that you are not good at. Progress is what you should be thinking about, not being perfect. Your future is happening now. It is completely open. Nobody knows what you can do, not you yourself. You can find out how great you are if you do something about it. You have to be brave and try things. You have to go after what you want. If you do these things, you will see how great you can be. You will see that you are capable of things. Your future and what you can do are connected to the things you try to do. Remember, it is not over until you win. It is not over until you try. You have one day to do something. Take one action today. Make one decision now. The thing is, that's all it takes to change your life. Winning is what matters, and trying is what gets you to winning. So you try one time, you take one more action, and you make one more decision to change your life. So today, take the leap. Step into the arena. Face your fears, live your dreams, and watch your life transform in ways you never thought possible.